What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So check this out. So I went and bought a gasket for that crack pipe, for that water pipe, whatever you want to call it. And I also got some gasket maker. Also got some gasket maker. So and I bought some gaskets for it. So I'm just going to pull it out of there because I know it doesn't have gasket on it, and I know I just put a gasket sealer in it. So I'm just going to pull it out, put one of those gaskets in there, seal it again, and see if I fix my problem, because I don't think nothing's wrong with the actual pipe itself. So let's just pull it off and see. So this is the water pipe. Like I said, I don't think nothing is wrong with the actual pipe. Like, I don't think there's no hole in it. I think my problem relies right here because it doesn't have the gasket in it. So I think that's where my problem lies at. So I'm gonna try and clean this off and see if one of those gaskets that I have will work. So yeah, I think that's the problem. Let me see. Alright. So here are the gaskets that I went and bought. And let's see if any of these can fit. Let's try the red one. It seems like a special one. Sure, the red one fits. Or the red one. The black one fits better. So I think the black one fits a lot better, and I'm going to take some of the sealant and put some of the sealant around the outside of it like I did right there. I'm going to clean that off, and then hopefully that will fix my problem. Drop a comment, tell me what you guys think. Now I think that said it takes about 90 minutes to dry. So it said give it 24 hours to fully cure. So I guess I will come back out tomorrow and put some water in it and see if that worked. Alright, so it's the next day, and that gasket sealer looked like it's pretty much on there. So now let's add some water to this. So I ended up taking that and painted that the gray too, and the top part, so it's the same color that the engine bay is. I don't know if you guys remember when I painted the engine bay. I meant the engine block, so it is the same color as the engine block. All together is one now. So drop a comment down below and tell me if you guys like that. Okay, so here's the problem I'm having now. I've been trying to crank it up again, but when I crank it up with the intake on and this plugged in, it seems like it does not want to crank up, right? Let's see. Does that hesitation like that? Now I believe once I take this out, right, and then try and crank it, I think it will crank. Let's see. the battery might die on this try, but let's give it one more try. Like I said, without this in here, without the intake in there, and without that plugged in, maybe it's this whole system right here, but without this plugged in there, it'll fire right up. Like, it'll fire up. But then once that's in there, it creates this massive hesitation. So let's see. Battery's dead now, so I gotta take the battery and get charged, but that's where I'm at now. That's where I'm at now. Just a little confused, but the water situation down at the bottom is finished out. That's all done. But now I gotta figure out why I'm having so much hesitation, and I really don't want to jump timing because I think I can do that. So I don't know. That's where I'm at now, guys. So I think actually today I have exactly 1 month to get this up and running and in condition, because Summer Vibes is July. I think it's July 12th. Summerfest is. So I think I have 1 month exactly to get this up and running and getting ready to go to the show. So that's the goal. So guys, drop a comment down below and tell me what you think. Drop a like, and I will catch you guys in the next video.